Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening iPhone settings and tapping WhatsApp. This gives system-level control. Once there, enable notifications so the app can send alerts. Next, choose alerts types, lock screen, notification center, and banners to decide where messages appear. Make sure sounds and badges are on if you want audible cues and unread counts. Once done, return to WhatsApp for app-specific tweaks to ensure system settings and app settings match. You now open WhatsApp, go to Settings then Notifications to refine behavior. Set distinct tones and vibration for messages and groups so you can tell them apart without looking. Toggle Show Previews to control message content on the lock screen. Choose whether to display sender and message. Enable in-app notifications to see banners while using the phone, and turn on high-priority notifications to keep important alerts at the top. Make these choices based on privacy. You finish by sending a test message to confirm sound, badge, and banner behavior. Watch how previews appear on your lock screen. If notifications are missing, make sure Do Not Disturb or a focus mode isn't silencing WhatsApp, and verify background app refresh is enabled so messages arrive promptly. If problems persist, reset WhatsApp notification settings or reinstall the app as a final step. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart the iPhone after changes to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.